finally came. 2 days. They shipped me this in 2 days. Upgrade for our plastic 300 Dometic toilet. This is the 310. I did cut the plastic here in the top. I haven't opened it yet. Packing slip. There it is. Hi YouTube. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but I think I'm back and we're going to post some videos up. We got some new stuff going on. We bought a brand new camper and I'm going to give a tour of it, but we had a little problem on our first time. Our toilet leaked internally and it's a known problem, so we're gonna try and fix it with a different toilet. A small upgrade, same company, Dometic. So we went from a 300 to a 310. We get a porcelain bowl. It's not supposed to have the same problem, so we're gonna hope so. We're gonna go with this and see how it works, and I'm gonna show you how to put it in. It's not real hard, it's real easy. Okay, so here we have the 300 original. I've got all the guts out of it because they're the same in both toilets. There's the water valve and the vacuum breaker, and that's the nozzle that goes in the toilet. What we had was, I don't know if you can see this, there's a cavity in here. This is a 300 and it had water, like dirty water, smelled like straight urine in there. So we called Dometic and got them. They shipped me a new porcelain bowl plastic base toilet, which is a 310 model, for $50. And I don't have lights on. I should have lights on. So we've got that basic same design. I think it's the same base because it looks like the same foot pedal. This has a ball valve, or flushes. It's a ball valve. Now I'm hearing that there's plastic pins that attach this pedal to that ball valve down there. So probably gonna have to be a little gentle on it and make sure that we antifreeze it in the winter so it doesn't freeze and break. We don't camp in the winter, so it doesn't matter that much. But this had the same design. It's like a rotating ball. It looks like a flat plate, but I don't believe it is. Looks like it rotates. This leaked. Hopefully this one doesn't. And I'm going to show you how to put it in. It's very simple. There is one connection on the back for the water. 2 screws, 2 nuts. There's studs that come out of the floor from your ring. And there's a rubber gasket on the bottom. I can show you that real quick. There's your rubber gasket. There, up inside, are your 4 screws. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. Hold your base to your bowl. So we're going to go ahead and throw this in the camper. Alright, so here's in the bathroom. I'm just standing outside the door. We have the direct door into the bathroom. This is on a Springdale Summerland Keystone brand. It's a SM3030BH. So I don't think it matters. All different brands are using Dometic. Everybody pretty much uses them. This is Dometic or Thetford, and they're owned by a bigger company yet. So anyways, I'm going to show you what we got here with the ring. Right there's the ring. I've already replaced these. These just slide in. See how they're slotted, oval shaped. They go just like that. And if you wanted to change positions, they could slide in on the other side like that. But I'm going to leave it like this so our toilet faces towards the tub, because that's where we have the most room. And I won't have to mess with my plumbing either. And they said I needed a certain amount of space. I believe it was 9 5/8 inches from the center of this hole to the wall. So we're going to see how that works out right now. Okay, I'm trying to show every little step. I had a little bit of an issue, not an issue, but It was kind of fun getting that other bolt to go up in there on the other side where you can't see. So I have it in its spot, and we have a little focus. Have a little bit of room there, which is all you need. It shouldn't really move around much. Shouldn't move around at all when you're tightened down. So that's where I'm going to leave it. I'll put my nuts on, torque them up to 40 inch-pounds, and we'll be done. Okay, we are all torqued down. We still have a little bit of a gap there, so we're good. And it feels solid. Take this off. Doesn't have to be there. I know these plastic lids aren't the best, and you got to be careful with them. So if it breaks, I'll call and get the upgraded lid also. But for now, that's going to have to work, and we're good to go. These are really easy to replace. Let's torque them to 40 inch-pounds, no more. I think it says 30 to 40 inch-pounds, and just so it's snug against the floor. That's basically what holds it solid. This little brass bolt, I showed you the bolts earlier, they're brass, and they won't take much, and it's a plastic ring and it won't take much, so you got to be gentle. That's it. I'll test it for leaks later, and we're ready to go camping again. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Catch you later.